Oia, Greece, sunsets and whitewashed charm. Oia, perched on the cliffs of Santorini, is a village that feels like a dream. Imagine whitewashed buildings with vibrant blue domes overlooking the deep blue Aegean Sea. The village is a maze of narrow, winding streets lined with charming shops, art galleries, and cozy cafes, each inviting you to explore more. Every sunset here is an event, casting the village in warm hues of orange and pink, creating a scene that feels almost surreal. Strolling through Oia, you'll feel the romantic energy that draws couples from around the world. Each corner offers breathtaking views of the caldera, framed by bougainvillea-covered walls and beautiful churches. And if you're up for a unique experience, the ruins of the Byzantine castle provide a panoramic view of the entire village and the endless sea. Just imagine savoring a glass of local wine as the sun dips below the horizon. Food in Oia is a treat as well. You can indulge in local delicacies from fresh seafood to Greek classics like moussaka and tzatziki. Each meal is often served with a side of incredible views, whether you're dining in a cliffside taverna or a more modern rooftop restaurant. The warmth of Greek hospitality will make you feel at home, inviting you to relax and enjoy every moment. Oia is more than just a village, it's an experience. From sunrise to sunset, it captivates with its natural beauty and rich culture. Whether you're an artist, a photographer, or simply a traveler, Oia's magic will leave you spellbound and longing to return.